I think I was just thinking about how one could return to this divide, eros agape, and how perhaps another way of thinking about it without positing this kind of alternative, either love or the social, would be to actually think of of this difference more as in the difference of timing. What I mean is that you have, even in love, you have two very different things. You have what is called amour passion, this kind of passionate disengaging from everything else, this kind of being completely enwrapped only with your erotic other, which is usually associated with the moment of falling in love or with some kind of ecstatic state, very little dynamics, just ecstasies of love. But you also have love in its temporality. What is the temporality of love? The love that takes place and time. It is the kind of precisely work of love, which I think is in its very structure related in many ways to the social and in absolutely crucial ways. And I think it is very important what Eva said at some point, namely that what this pandemic revealed is that there is no true intimacy that could actually have its space and articulate itself if there is no social at the same time. Without this, outside of the social, there is no way in which you could even experience something or work on something as love. So I think there is this dimension of love as duration, as a certain work, but precisely not work in the sense of something tiresome, oh, I need to work on love, but precisely as this joyfully, but nevertheless also laborious experience of doing something, creating something, and that this is related to a social dimension of love and to a certain dimension of joy that some kind of endeavors of this kind should possess and have. So yeah, I would perhaps conclude like this.